Here we have 350 grams of chicken liver, clean and prepped. Put a little bit of, about a teaspoon of potato starch, white pepper, MSG, garlic powder, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix well and rest for 15 minutes. Getting the liver ready to shallow fry, we're going to put in roughly about 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix well. Heat the oil to medium heat and slowly shallow fry. Keep the heat medium low. We're going to fry 2 minutes each side. Once 2 minutes up, or nice and brown like so, turn the rest over and give it another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes up, double check the other side. I think now we can turn the heat up, just give it a crust. About 40 seconds. Once we turn the heat up, and just give it a crust on each side. Remove from the pan. Just let it set for 2-3 minutes. Two tablespoons of cooking oil into a high heat wok. In with your onion, spring onion, celery and chili. Teaspoon of garlic. Leave the heat on high and make sure your onion is nice and vegetables nice and charred. Shaoxing wine. Back in with your liver. Sprinkle of salt and pepper mix. This is our village style chicken liver.